Classrooms will soon be cell phone-free zones for public school students across the entire state. State lawmakers have ordered every school district in South Carolina to enact some type of cell phone ban for students during the school day. As State House reporter Mary Green joins us to explain, we now know what this will look like in many schools.
On Tuesday, the State Board of Education adopted a model policy to ban cell phones in South Carolina public schools. Now it's up to districts to decide whether they'll adopt this policy or put stricter measures in place.
We've left a lot of flexibility to you as local districts about how you're actually going to implement this during the day, because we know that all schools are different, all districts are different.
Banning cell phones in South Carolina schools has strong support at the highest levels of leadership in Columbia, with the General Assembly ordering all districts to enact a policy to do this, and Governor Henry McMaster urging the state board to approve its model policy Tuesday, writing, quote, "Our responsibility is to create an environment where teachers can teach and students learn."
We know that these digital distractions and devices are creating mental health challenges. They are distracting students from learning, and they are really making it much harder for our teachers to do what they're there to do, which is to teach.
The state's model policy prohibits students from accessing devices, including cell phones, smartwatches, tablets, and gaming devices during the school day unless the superintendent approves their use. Students would have to keep their phones and other devices in their lockers, backpacks, or wherever the district decides they should be kept, from the morning tardy bell to the afternoon dismissal bell. And districts would be able to outright prohibit them from bringing them onto campus at all. Districts would still have some discretion over whether this applies to time spent on school buses, field trips, and athletic events, as well as what consequences students face for violations.
Removing the child from class is going to be way down the road as far as consequences. That, you know, the idea is to have kids in class and paying attention.
The policy earned the support of all but one state board member, though others expressed some hesitations about it.
There is the law of unintended consequences, and it frightens me. And it's not even Halloween.
And if they haven't already, districts must adopt a local policy sometime this fall, with full statewide implementation starting in January. Districts that don't comply would be putting their state funding at risk. Reporting West Columbia, I'm Mary Green.